Good morning, guys. Welcome to the vlog today. It's good to be home. April's changing Frank's diaper and then we're leaving. We're going to the temple with my niece who is getting ready to get married in August. So excited to be going to the temple, and Daisy's gonna hold down the fort, right, Daisy? All right, nice. And we got home last night. The pool was warm. 91 degrees, crystal clear. We recovered from the bubbles completely, and we gotta get going. Let's check on Frank.
You gotta get some food, okay?
Oh, hi, Frank.
Hi, bud. Love you. I love him so much. I'm glad that I got to see him this morning.
We'll be back in a few hours. We'll hang and then we're leaving again. Yes, we've got a concert to go to later tonight. So
Daisy feed you nanas?
quite excited for that, but for now we're going to the temple.
Oh, puppies, oh, puppies.
Guys, I haven't been to the temple in over a year and a half. So I'm very excited. Davey's been working in it here and there. He's probably been the most out of anyone I know through COVID and everything, but
Excited to go with you.
I have not been forever. So here we go. It's gonna be fantastic. And I'm gonna be there with my sister, my nieces. It's the best day. I'm so excited. And we have Garth Brooks tonight. I miss Frankie so much though. You guys, I could not leave him to come to the, I almost was like, let's just bring him to the temple, which he couldn't come in. So I would have had to bring one of the girls to watch him outside. Well, but then I was like, oh, it'll be hot. And Davey was like, he's gonna have more fun playing at home and jumping on the trampoline and stuff with them. I was like, you're right. So I just left him. But I wanted to just have him with me the second I got out. It's fine. I'm fine. Everything's fine.
Okay, we're home.
I missed him. Nino, you want to go take a nap?
No.
Has he taken a nap today? He hasn't taken a nap today. I'm going to lay down with him.
Yep, that's right. Partners. Off to the Garth Brooks concert. Got my boots on, my hat, my America hat, my America shirt, my blue jeans. I'm a little more country than that. Yeah, the long-awaited Garth Brooks concert. I've been excited to go to it, but I'll be glad when it's over. There's been quite the ordeal with getting tickets for this and buying too many tickets and paying too much, but it's over now and we can just go have some fun. And yeah, I'm all cowboyed up. They said don't wear any denim or warm clothing or long sleeves, so I'm wearing long sleeves and denim. And no venue is gonna tell me what to wear, okay? Let's just get that clear right now. Oh, the kids are swimming.
Oh, hey, guys.
Hi, Dad.
How's that warm water?
It's real nice.
Real nice? Ooh, look how clear it is, too, Daisy.
Yeah.
I'm a good pool boy, huh?
Daddy, so it was hot.
Or Arby is a good
Dad, it was burning hot on the top and it was cold on the bottom. Then it's the same temperature.
Now it's all mixed up. Daisy, no, it takes a little more than the vacuum that goes on the bottom of the pool. She does her part. That's the bottom, but I gotta work on the rest, keep the filter, the chlorine levels. Like, I do a lot.
Thanks, Dad.
Look at that. We've recovered from those bubbles. The bubble party.
Daddy, watch.
Okay, me and Mama going on a date in a little bit, okay?
Okay, but Daddy, watch.
Okay, what you got?
Watch it.
See what you got. 1, 2, 3. Whoa, you did a flip underwater. That was amazing. There's the crew.
If you have a purse big like this, take it back to your car.
All right, we made it. Here we go. Let's take a look around. Look at all this. Where it's going down right there.
Wake me up in the you. But when I look at you now, there's no trace. I guess it's all been erased. You tell me that it's over, that we just hurt each other, but we don't have to end up this way. We're underwater, way off the shoreline. I try to reach you, but you're drifting away. We're underwater, but there's still time left. If we want it, we can breathe again, breathe again. I'm not surprised that you're feeling this way. I've long known that you're bothered by something. I don't believe that you're right when you say that we're better off this way. I guess it's true as my mother did say, you can't trust a soul that's been shattered. All those moments we shared face to face, was it all just a game you played? You tell me that it's over, that we just hurt each other, but we don't have to end up this way.
Okay guys, real quick, let me jump in here. Before I show you the next clip, a few weeks ago, Ambree's bird died. It was super sad, and we tried saving it, and it was just really sad, and we chose not to vlog it, but due to the, like, what's coming up, we didn't know what we were gonna do or how we were gonna handle it with everything that's been going on with us, and it was really sad, so just so you know, Ambree's bird died. But the next clip is a happy ending to a new story.
Okay, so my Sunday school teacher is like the most amazing guy ever, and he knew that my bird just died, and he just came to our house and he dropped off the cutest thing ever. He's so cute, and I am so happy.
Here, Ambree, you should take him out and hold him.
I don't even know what I'm gonna name him. He's so cute. My Sunday school teacher
Ambree,
is
can I
so
hold him?
fast.
Ambree, can I hold him?
Hey, no.
Oh, he's amazing.
Okay, let's bring him out to your room. Maybe.
Okay.
Ambree, can I hold it?
Oh, he's so cute.
Okay guys, that does it for Garth Brooks. What'd you think? So good, so good. Okay, now we gotta get out of here. I feel like it's gonna be a few hours before we're in bed. It's 11 o'clock at night. Here we go. Thanks for watching. Find good and everything. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.